So now next after mean, next is median. We'll have median. Over 10 set questions. Okay. So what about Cherisha students? Cherisha is attending. Adia on line. Adia, Ivania, Joanna, Lemula, Naomi, Tanish. See, even this is a easy chapter. It's a lengthy one. We will get it for 8 marks. Okay. 5 to 7 marks students. 5 to 7 marks chapter. Fine. Shall we start? Next chapter is median. Mean we completed, right? Mean, all the concepts. Next we have median students. See, median, respond all of you. Am I audible? Yeah, median is if 10 students marks are given. Example, they have scored 5, 10. Another student has scored 25. Another student 16, 20, 18, 45. We need to find the middle value. Fine, we need to find the middle value. So first, is this arranged in ascending order or descending order? Or is it written random way, these numbers? Randomly written, right? First point, whenever you find median students, remember mean we don't arrange. Mean we never arrange in ascending order. Median we arrange in ascending order. First you have to arrange it in ascending order. 5, 10. Next you have 16, 18, 20, 25, 45. First point, you have to arrange it in ascending order. Second point, count the number of terms. How many terms are there? How many observation? Total how many observation students? With n is equals to 7. Once you find the observation, which is the middle term, tell me the middle term. Here we have 3 values and here 3. The middle value is 18. The answer is 18. This is known as median. Is it clear? This is known as median. Now, if you write directly, you won't get marks. You have to write formula. First thing, arrange in ascending order. Second thing, count the number of terms. N. Third one is formula. N has two formulas. N stands for if it is even, if it is odd, the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula. Next, if it is even, for if n is equals to even student, now we are odd number. What's the answer? N plus 1, 7 plus 1, not 7. How many numbers are there total? 7. 7 plus 1 divided by 2. What's the answer? 7 plus 1, 8. 8 divided by 2. What do we get? 4. So the answer is not 4, fourth term. Can you see the fourth term is 18? All of you understood? For odd numbers? Yeah, n plus 1 divided by 2 term, students. N plus 1 divided by 2 term. This is the formula. Next, even number. Let me add 45 and 47. Let me add 47 here. Now, how many numbers are there? 7 or 8? Total, how many observations are there? 8. So, this side it is 4 and this side it is 4. Middle, do we have any value in the middle? No. Then we take these two numbers. The formula is 1 by 2 into n divided by 2 term. N divided by 2 term plus n plus 1 divided by 2. N divided by 2 plus 1 term. N divided by 2 plus 1 term. This is the formula. What do you mean by this? N is equals to 7 or 8 now. What is n value, students? N is equals to 8. If I put 8 here, 8 divided by 2, what's the answer? 8 divided by 2 is fourth term. Plus, if I substitute n 4, 4, 8, sorry, 8 divided by 2 plus 1, you get 4. 4 plus 1 is fifth term. So the answer is not 4 plus 5. You shouldn't write half into 4 plus 5. It is half into fourth term plus fifth term. What is the fourth term here? Respond all of you. Fourth term is 18 plus fifth term is 20. This is how you have to add. 18 plus 20 is, oh, very good, 38. If you reduce it, you get 19. So what's the number which lies between 18 and 20? Isn't it 19? So this is easy values. I've given easy numbers. It was 19. If tough questions are there, you'll get different answer. All of you understood the concept? That's it. Along with this, you'll have another 3 or 4 concepts. This is all about median, students. It's a simple concept. Only thing is the question will be a bit complicated to solve. Fine. This is when only when one value is given, only when observation is given, we use it like this. If they give a tabular form, they'll give two values, xi, fi. Then we need to find cumulative frequency. We'll do that later. First, we'll complete this mean. Okay. So the first question in your textbook is, okay, all simple questions are given. We'll ignore. I'll solve the first main. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. First main, fifth question. Look at the first main, fifth question. Yeah, Joanna, tell me what are the steps, Joanna? What's the first step for median? Is Joanna online? No, not changing the screen. Changing or yes, I've shared the screen. All of you can see the screen. Naomi, Tanisha, Adia. Yes, Joanna, you know the answer. You were there when I was teaching. What were you doing, Joanna? No, it's been 5 minutes. I'm teaching. Were you there there online? Then answer. What's the first step you do? Look at the fifth question, students. What's the first step we do? You have to arrange it in as- ascending order. What are the numbers here? First is 3, next 4, 9, 12, 15, then 17, 17, 17, 27, next 47, 81. First step, student. Second step, count the number of terms. How many terms are there? How many observation total? Actually, it was supposed to be 12. I missed out some number. After 47, even 48 is given, right? 47. After 47, we have 48. Next, 75 and 81. Total how many number students? N is equals to count total. Count properly, Lemula. Which question are you seeing, Lemula? How are you getting 14? 12. 12 is even or odd, students. Is it even or odd? Even number. For even number, what's the formula? Median is equals to half into n by 2 term. N by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1. If you don't arrange in ascending order, you won't get the right answer. Now, half into what is n value? Odd or even? N is 12, right? 12 divided by 2 plus 12 divided by 2 plus 1. Don't write it as 12 plus 1 divided by 2, students. This is wrong. 12 divided by 2, you will get 13. 13 divided by 2 is 6.5. Wrong answer. It is 12 divided by 2 plus 1 term. Half into, reduce this, 6 plus 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so don't write 6 plus 7 is 13. That's not the answer. You need to take the 6th term and the 7th term. Is this clear, all of you all? Did you all understand? What is the 6th term, students? Tell me the 6th term. 15 plus what is the 7th term? The next 17. That is equals to half into 32. What's the answer? The answer is 60. Complete the first, this one. Lemula, did you understand? Adia, Lemula, Joanna? No. Be quick, students. Complete it. All of you are completed. Okay, next question. Let me see what to solve. Second question. How many terms are there in the second question, students? Second one. Even if you don't arrange in ascending, just tell me. Count the number of terms. Yes, be quick. 11 terms. Odd or even? 11 is odd or even? Odd. For odd, how do you find median, students? What is median formula? It is just n plus 1 divided by 2. So don't write 11 plus 2 divided by 11 plus 2 is 12 divided by 2 6. You should arrange it in the ascending order. Is it clear? Then you should take the 6th term. So we'll skip the second one. Look at the third one. Tell me the third one, students. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Be quick, we should complete this exercise. So, third question, what is the lowest number, students? Tell me the value. 144 point. Yeah, tell me Naomi. Next. Arrange. You didn't arrange in ascending. Third question. See, which one I marked here? Oh, which one have I marked here, Naomi? Are you listening? What about others? Which one are you all solving, students? All of you will respond. Why nobody? Third main. What about Adya, Tvana, Lemula, Tanishka? Which one are you solving? The third main. I told first main just skip one question is enough, Naomi. Listen properly and do it. What are the numbers, students, in third main? Just tell me fourth main, or I'll do it. Third main, 140. Ascending order. Why will I ask the same question? 140. Next. Hmm. 140. Okay. Next. 0.6, 150 and 152 point. All of you are arranged in the same order. Response, students. They'll ask this only for MCQ, students. Look here. From question 1 to question 5, only MCQ questions. So don't solve all the question, waste your time. Don't concentrate on those. Just do whatever I teach in the class. That's it. Now, count the number of terms. N is equals to, tell me, N is equals to 8 or 9? 9. 9 is odd or even? Odd number. What's the formula for odd? N plus 1. Okay, 9 plus 1 divided by 2. What is 9 plus 1 divided by 2? But it is not 5, fifth term. It is not 5. Don't write it as 5. What you have to write? Fifth term. Which is the fifth term here after arranging? Which is the fifth term? This is the answer. Is it clear? If it is even number, use the even formula, students. Add and subtract. Don't take 9, 5. 5 is not the answer. Fifth term, sixth term. It is all about the terms. You have to arrange it in order. Is it clear? Shall we do the next one? Okay, as of now, only xi values are given. Only one values are given. Look at 6, 7, 8, 9 questions. Two values are given. So that is different calculation. Okay, same like median, students. In median, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is given. How do you find mean in this? How do you find mean? What's the formula? Sum of observation divided by, how many observations are there? 5. How many values are there here? Only one value is given, right? But what if two values are given, fi, xi, like this? 100, 150, 200, 250 like this. If there are two values, we have to take the first one as xi, second one as fi. How many methods are there? One direct method. Yes. Assume method, step deviation. In the same way, mean. When we have single value, median, that is the formula I had given students. If there are two values, you have to find cumulative frequency. That's the only difference. Okay, so first exercise is easy. Second and third, it is a bit lengthy. Next. Skip the fourth one. If you want, do it later. Fifth question. They are given in 2006. Let us solve that. The median of how many observations are given? Medians of the observations are, tell me how many observations are here? Yes, total 8. What is given here? The median of the observation. Is it already arranged or we need to arrange the students? What is given here? Arranged in. So what value is this 24? What value is 24? Median is 24. Why have they given median value? Usually they tell us to find median, but why have they given median here? Very good. We need to find the x value. Same like mean question. We need to find the x value. Median is given. Median formula. Median is equals to 24. What is 24 students? Sorry, count the number of terms. N is equals to 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total numbers are there? 9. N is equals to 9. Odd or even? Odd. What's the formula for odd? N plus 1 divided by 2. 9 plus 1 divided by 2 is? No, no, 1 minute. 1. N plus 1. Okay, 5. What is the fifth observation, students? Not 5. Who told 5? 5 is the answer. Naomi, not 5. What's the formula? N plus 1 divided by 2? Term. So, which is the fifth term? Which is the fifth term here? Which is fifth term? X plus 4. Is this clear? All of you all understood? Now, tell me what is median value, students? Median is equal to 24. Do you find x value? 24 minus? What's the answer? 20. Make a note of this. Which question? 26A. 26A, fifth question. The answer is 20. Is it clear? All of you understood? If median value is given, how to solve? Look here, I'll explain once more, students. I'll explain one more time. Median value is given. The reason is we need to find the value of x. Median is 24. Then count the number of terms. How many terms are there? N is equals to 9. 9 is the odd number. What's the formula for odd? N plus 1 divided by 9 plus 1 divided by 2 term. Remember, it is not the number, it's the term. Okay. Remember in APGP we did first term, second term. All of you will remember. So what's the answer here? Fifth term. So n is fifth term, but that is not the answer, student. What is t of n value? T of n value is the value. What is the value here? Fifth term? X plus 4. Now take the value of median 20. Completed. Copy this. Completed. X is equals to 25 minus 4 is 20, students. All of you are done? main first one was easy. You won't get such question. I mean, for MCQ, you might get it for MCQ. Fifth main second one. See, for even it is easy. For odd number it was easy. Look at even number. And remember this, whenever even values are given students, I mean, where is that? Median value is given. The numbers will be arranged in ascending order. Look at the fifth main second one. If 10, 13, 15, are they arranged in ascending order already? 31, 36, are the observation arranged in ascending order? They have given the statement with median 28. What is median value for the fifth main second one? What is median students? Median is equals to 28. Count the number of terms. How many terms are there? Yes, all of you will count. X plus 1 is one term. X plus 2 is two term. See, x plus 1 is 1. This entire thing is one term. X plus 3. Even this entire thing is one term. Total how many terms are there? 10 terms. Right? 10 is odd or even? 10 is even number. What's the formula for even students? Half into n divided by 2 term plus respond. N divided by 2 plus 1 term. T stands for term. I'll just write it as T. Half into 10 divided by 2 T plus 10 divided by 2 plus 1 T. Half into 10 divided by 2 is fifth term plus 10 divided by 2 plus 1, sixth term. Tell me what are fifth and sixth term here. Look at the numbers and tell me students, what is the fifth term? Respond, be quick. Fifth term is x plus 1 and the sixth term is equals to what is median value? 28. If you want to solve this, what happens to x students? What happens to x? X gets multiplied. So you get 56 is equals to, use bracket rule. How do you use bracket rule? X into x plus 3 into, respond all of you all, 1 into plus 1 into x plus 3. When you open the bracket, what do you get? X square plus 3x plus x plus 3 is equals to 56. What kind of equation are we getting? Respond all of you all. What kind of equation is this, students? Isn't it quadratic? Degrees 2. So you can use formula method or factorization. Factorization is easy. So take 52 to the other side. It becomes 0. X square 3x plus x is 4x plus 3 minus 56. Then what do you get? X square plus 4x. 3 minus 56 is minus 53 is equals to 0. Is this clear? All of you understood? So we have to factorize, students. Yes, we have to factorize. 53. How do you factorize using product and sum? 53. What is the? Is it possible to use factorization method? No, because 53 is a prime number. What are the factors of 53? 1 into 53. That's it. So there is no. You're not getting 4. Then which method do we use? Tell me which method? Formula method? Yeah, it's a quadratic equation completed. Fifth main second question, student. This is fifth main second one. Lemula, are you solving it? Joanna, Lemula, did you understand? Adia? Okay, median is given, students. Yes, median is given. Let me check whether the median is correct. 28 is right. Yeah, they've given the int here. Can you see the int given? All of you? Int. So that is what we got, student. Just ignore all this and they won't give it an exam. I've explained the entire concept. Whenever median is given, use this method. You don't have to arrange in order. Remember that. Don't arrange it in order. Twenty-six. 26A, 5th May. Four x. 50 minus 53. Copy from the beginning. Look at the median, right? Median is 28. N is equals to 10. No. We made a mistake here. Can you tell me what mistake, students? Stop solving till here. What mistake have I done here? Yeah, I made a mistake here. No, what is 5? We need to add, right? Instead of adding, what have I done? Multiply. Here, students, here it should be plus. That's the reason you shouldn't get quadratic. You should add the term. X plus 1 plus, what is sixth term? X plus, yes, x plus 3. Other things are correct. You shift this side, what you get? 56 is equals to x plus 1 plus x plus 3. 56, x plus x is 2x. 3 plus 1, 4. Find the value of x, students. Because the answer in textbook is 26, and here I made a mistake. This part you have to add. Fifth term plus sixth term. Instead of that, I have multiplied. Thought it was quadratic. What's the answer? 56 minus 4 is equals to 2x. 2x is equals to 52. X is equals to, yes, we are getting 26. Yeah, make a note, student. Go through this. You can skip all the chapters for test. I mean, during revision, all the questions. Just mark these three questions. I want you all to practice. Third main, fifth main, second one. Is it clear? All of you will mark this. During revision, don't practice everything, students. Somebody mark. I'll ask you all. When we start revision, I'll ask you all. Third main and fifth main, second one. Rest of the questions you can just ignore. X is equals to 26. Yeah, today up to 8 o'clock, I'll conduct up to 8. Okay. Done? All of you completed? Plus 1. Yeah, when there are two values, you have to add, students, not multiply. X is equals to 26. Next, two values. Tanishka done, Joanna, Tanishka, Adia. Okay. Along with this, you'll have upper quartile, lower quartile, middle quartile, student. First, second, third, and fourth quartile concept. That starts in from the ninth question. 9, 10, 11 is different. Then how many questions you have here? Tomorrow we'll complete this. From 9 to 13. From 9 to 13, you can see all this lower quartile, upper quartile. There are four more formulas. Right? So four more formulas. Before that, up to fifth question, we had only one term. Up to fifth question. For the sixth question, how many values are there? We have two values, right? Two values. How to write? Weight. Weight is nothing but xi. You shouldn't copy the exact thing, student. You have to arrange it in ascending order. Is it already arranged in ascending order? Respond. 45, 46. Is it arranged or we need to arrange it? Already arranged. What about seventh question, eighth question? Look at the first value. Is it arranged in ascending? Seventh one. Seventh is not arranged, right? Yeah, we need to arrange that. If it is arranged in ascending order, you just take the values 45, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 55. Next, Fi value, students. The next one, number of students, is Fi. Number of students is frequency. Along with this, you have to find cumulative frequency. I'll write here. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 9, 7, 4, 2. Find the cumulative frequency for this. All of you will find the cumulative frequency, students. 8 remains as it is. Next, be quick. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 6, 19 plus 9, 28 plus 7, 35, 35 plus 4, 39, 30, 41. All of you understood how to find this? Response, students. Done? Now what you have to check? What's the first thing we have to do? Arrange in ascending order. If it is already arranged, just write it. Second step, find the cumulative frequency. I found the cumulative frequency. Third step, n. We need to check number of values. This last value 41, you are supposed to take it as n. Is it odd or even? 41 is odd or even? Respond, all of you. 41 is odd or even? Odd number. Then what is median, students? What is median? N plus 1 divided by 2. That is 41 plus 1. How much is 42 divided by 2? 21. Here, do we have 21? Anywhere? 21 lies between which one? 19 and 28. Which is greater? 28. So with 28, whatever x value is associated, we need to take that. What's the answer? 50 is the answer. Is it clear? All of you understood? See, this is where students go wrong. What they do, listen, students, don't write. I'll tell you what mistakes they do. They'll write 21 as the answer. 21 is not the answer. 21st term. 21st term. They'll think 21st is not given here. They'll just write it as 21st. Wrong. 21st lies between 19 and 20. Up to 19, it is 48. Once you cross 19, you should consider it as 50. So what's the answer? Median is equals to 50. What is XI unit given? What is that XI unit, students? Respond, all of you all. What's the answer? So what's the answer? 50 kg. Is it clear? All of you all understood how to find median when two values are given? Complete it, and I want you all to do the eighth question. Seventh one I'll teach you. Seventh I'll teach. Do the eighth question after this. Be quick. So don't take 28 as 9, students. We should always take the XI value. XI value is weight, 50 kgs. Okay, complete this. Do the next one for homework. Complete this. Done? Complete this. Once if you're done, take break, students. Take break for 5-6 minutes. First write this. Write it all of you. After break we'll continue. 7:40 to 8 o'clock. Okay, up to 7:55 I'll teach. I'll take Adya. Okay. Only today. Tomorrow it will be regular. From 6 to 7:45 I'll conduct. All of you are done? Completed this? Okay, don't try the next one. We'll do it the next one, students. Take break. We'll continue after break. Yes, students, all of you completed. Are you online? Shall we try the next one? Lemula, Ivan, Adya, okay. Tanishka, Naomi, Tanishka, Lemula, are you there online? See, previous year students, they don't give us direct value like this. It is very rare. They give seventh question. Look at the seventh one. Is it arranged in ascending order, or we need to arrange? We need to arrange, right? Take variate. Okay, variate frequency and cumulative frequency. Now look here, variate. Which is the lowest number we have, students? What is the lowest number? 17 or 15? 15. What is the value for 15? 3. Right? So tell me the next one. After 15, 17. Then 22. Third. Here, one more common mistake what students do. They arrange this in order. Then they take 5, 9. 5, 9, 3. Is it correct? Is it right? No. What is the mistake I've done, Naomi? Wrong values. For 15, what is the value given? What is frequency? Yes. For 15, it is 3. That is what you'll have to check. 17, it is 5. So everyone can solve. These are some silly mistakes they do and end up getting 0 marks. For 20, it is 9. For 22, 4. 26 and for 30, 10. After this, everything is same. Will you try this question now? Yes. Find the cumulative frequency. Check the last number, whether it is even or odd. Whatever you get here is n. If it is even, use the formula. If it is odd, do the next one. Remember, first one is xi, second one is fi, frequency, third one is cumulative frequency. Tell me the values, Mariana, Naomi. What are the values? Next, 17, 37. Which one is n value? Which one is second? The last value is n. Next, tell me the next one. No, no, n is 37. Next concept. Correct, Naomi. Why n plus 1? What's the next thing you have to tell me? N is odd. If n is odd, correct. N is odd. What is median? Formula divided by 2 term. Don't write n plus 2 divided by 2 term. So 37 plus 1 is 30. 19th term. What is the 19th term? Do you have 19 here? Hmm. Which is greater? So what's 22 is the. All of you understood? Yes, 22 is the answer. Median. 22 what? Have they given kgs, height, weight, anything, or just variate in frequency? Then you don't need to write any units, students. Don't write any units. 22 is the answer. Clear? Now, last part is, can you read the eighth question and tell me how is it different from the other question? All of you look at the eighth question. Adya done. Tanishka, Adya, Joanna, shall I erase this? Lemula. Is Lemula on there? Okay. I can hear only three students, Naomi, Ivania, and sometimes Joanna answering. Tell me the eighth one. How is it different from the other question? What do we need to find? Very good. Mean and median. This is what they give to most of the time. These type of questions are repeated for board exam. Mark the eighth one as important. They give one question. Most of the time they have repeated this for three or four marks. They give one table. They'll ask you to find both the values, mean and median. Which is the easiest method to find mean value for mean? Which is the easiest method? Direct method. So look, first let us write the table. Diameter of art. I'll just write dia. Number of patients. All of you will start writing, students. Be quick. Diameter and number of patients. Number of patients. One more thing. For mean, do we arrange in ascending order? All of you will respond. Do we arrange in ascending order? Respond. For mean, we don't arrange, right? For mean, we don't arrange. What about this question? Is it already arranged in ascending order? Already arranged. Don't need to worry. Even if it is not arranged, students, for mean, don't arrange it. Take whatever is given. 120, 121, 122, 123, 124. Number of patients 5, 8, 12, 9, 6, 10. I've taught you all three methods. You can use any method. What method they have asked there to find? Did they use any specific method to find mean? Or they've just asked us to find the mean, students? The mean. Use direct method. It's equals to what is mean formula? Summation of This is x. This is xi. This is fy. Complete. All of you will find mean. Let me write xi fy students. Multiply fy xi 0. I'll just write the first value. 5 into 12. 60. 600. This would take time, but I want all of you to complete it. It would take a lot of time to multiply. Complete it. Remaining questions we'll do it tomorrow. Completed students fill at least one question. Multiply both. Use the formula summation of fy xi. You'll calculate the values. Is it 968? Response students, have you all done? Okay, let me show you all. It would take time. Look at the calculation part. Look, let me do it. 122 into 12. In exam, you all calculate. What's the answer? 1000? 1464. Calculate what is the last value? 125 into 10? 250. Next. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next one. 744. Sum of Fi Xi. Calculate Fi. What is Fi summation? 50. Is it 50? 13. 13 plus. Okay, 25. 25, 15. 40, 50. Next. Lemula, did you do it? Have you written it? Adia Lemula. Maintain the notes, student. The reason I keep asking you all is notes are very important. Last moment revision. This is how whatever you'll write, you'll understand. In between, I'll tell you all important concept formulas. Just keep write, make a note. Okay, you might get the answers. You might get it in textbook. Your teacher would have done. You'll get it in online, or there is even guide available. But each one would have given different solutions, or the way of explanation will be different. Whatever I explained, whatever you all have understood, write that, calculate it. 968 plus 1464. What's the total you all got? 6133. Good. 6133. Now substitute in this formula. 6133 divided by 50. If it is difficult, do one thing. Write it like this. 5 into 10. Can I write 50 as 5 into 10? Divide this. 5 ones are 5. Does 1 go in 5 students? No, right? So put 0 and take 13. 5 twos are 10. Next. 5 6 are 30. What's the remainder? 3. Then 5 6. You'll get divided by 10. Use shifting method. Which side you have to shift the decimal? Left hand side or right hand side? One position, left hand side. So what's the answer? 102.66. Is this clear, all of you all? Understood the calculation part? Response students. No, I have taken a wrong value. Yeah, try it. I have taken 5133. It should be 6133. 6133. Now reduce it. How many times 5 goes? No. If you want, you can round it. Let us check the answer, Tanishka. First, let us reduce. 5 ones are how many times it goes? 1. Carry 1. 5 twos are 10. Next. 5 twos are 10. 6.6. Divide this by 10. You get 122.66. What's the answer in the textbook? Can someone check? It's the same. Okay. Is it clear? All of you understood how to find mean? Next, what is the next one you have to find, students? After mean, you have to find median. For median, do we need to arrange in ascending order? Is it already arranged? What's the other column? We don't use these two columns. What's the other column? Yes, cumulative frequency. How do you find cumulative frequency? How do you find cumulative frequency, students? Be quick. Cumulative frequency, take it from frequency. Yes, keep 5 as it is. Next, 5 plus 50. What's the median? Oh, sorry, what is n value? N is equals to 50. Is it odd or even? All of you have written this table. Response students, have you written the table? Even in exam, write cumulative frequency. Now to avoid confusion, I'll just erase all this. We need only these two values. Look here. We need only these two. N is 50. Now tell me the answer. What's the formula? Half into 50 plus 50 divided by 2 plus 50 divided by 2 plus 1. What is 50 divided by 2, students? 25th term plus 26th term. Is this clear? All of you understood? Median. Respond. Last one. Last over. What is 25th term? 25th value is 122 plus. What is 26, students? Is 26 given? So you have to take the 34th value. What's the answer? 123. Half into 5, 4, 245. Reduce the value. What's the answer in textbook? Can you check? Is it 122.5? Median is 122.5. Adya, did you understand? Okay, got late, Adya. I forgot about your science tuition. If you have done with this, you can leave, Adya. You can leave. Oh, okay, fine then. Is it clear, all of you all? 122.5. Any doubts, students? Any doubts in median chapter? This exercise? So far, whatever we solved, everything clear? Okay. So eighth one is what we solved. It is a combined combination of both mean and median. Ninth one onwards, we'll do it tomorrow. We'll complete and try the next exercise. Okay, now take the homework question. I want you all to solve. Seventh question for homework. Not the seventh. I think I did the sixth, seventh, eighth is also done. Fine, just practice this, students. No homework. Whatever we have done, just practice that. We'll continue tomorrow. Log in at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Okay.